Seriously. Make Jamaica dance.
Maybe you should turn off the stereo.
Why?
Probably come in better. Probably be able to hear better.
Oh. I'm gonna have Jamaica dance now anyway. Alright, Jamaica, put on your dancing boots. This is no time to be eating. You're gonna dance, bird. We gotta go put on music she likes. It's gonna be funny with the popcorn. She's gonna end up with it all over her beak. She's too hungry to dance. Normally she gets popcorn all over her beak, but I think she's trying to be a lady in front of the camera. That's why she's standing like this.
Yeah.
She's dancing with Scott. Let's get some better music on for her. Let's get her favorite song on. Yep. This is Scott.
Hello.
That's the bird dancer.
How are you? I forget her name again.
It's Bears, Kathy.
Hi, Bears. Like your wheelbarrow.
There's
So did you show them the
baby.
house?
Show them the house.
Did you show them our front yard?
Yeah, I was actually outside.
Oh, you were?
Oh, I should have flipped on the fireplace.
Oh, it's beautiful out. It's only 40 degrees.
Yep. So we probably could use turning on the fireplace. There's our fireplace.
Oh, I'm sure she's really impressed. It's a gas.
The flip of the switch. Oh, wow.
Oh, show our bear over there.
Yeah, I've got a little bear on a frame.
Okay, I had to work.
Well, now Jamaica misses you. You gonna whistle? I'll try and do this. She's a little nervous to the camera. She doesn't like that. That's okay. We got her dancing. She's a little dancing fool. Well, that's our house. That's our bird.